In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Link on Instacart. First, you will need to click the shared URL invitation sent by your friend or family member. This invitation is usually sent via text or email. When you click on it, your device will automatically open the Instacart platform. You may notice a brief loading screen as the app or website prepares to take you to the next step. This action is crucial as it establishes the connection to the shared cart. You will be able to see the items your friend or family member has added. It helps to streamline your shopping experience and lets you collaborate effectively. Next, you'll need to log in or create an account on the Instacart Help Center mobile app or website. If you already have an account, simply enter your login credentials. If you don't, you will be prompted to create one. This typically involves entering your email address and choosing a password. Sometimes you may need to verify your email address as part of the account setup. This step is important because it ensures that your shopping experience is personalized and secure. Once you have logged in or created your account, you will be ready to dive deeper into the shared shopping experience. Once logged in or after your account has been created, navigate to your Orders tab. Here you will find the active shared cart. This is where the magic happens. You can add items directly to the list, which will update in real time for everyone involved. As you browse through the items, you can select what you need and add it to the cart seamlessly. This feature is particularly useful because it allows everyone in the group to see changes instantly. You won't have to worry about duplicate purchases or missing items. Now that you are in your Orders tab, take a moment to explore the shared cart. You will see all the items already added by your friend or family member. This visual overview helps you understand what is needed. You can also check off items that you plan to purchase or contribute to. This collaborative feature fosters teamwork and ensures that everyone's needs are met. It's a great way to share shopping responsibilities and save time. Next up, when you find an item you want to add, simply click on it. After that, you will see an option to add it to your cart. This action makes sure that the item is included in the shared shopping list. You will notice a confirmation that the item has been added. This immediate feedback assures you that your changes are saved and others can see your selections as well. After adding the items, you may want to review the cart one last time. Take a look at the total price and the items you have chosen. This step is essential because it allows you to make adjustments if necessary. Maybe you realize you need to swap an item for a different brand or remove something you no longer want. You can easily do this from the same screen. This review process can save you from unexpected surprises at checkout. With everything set, you are now ready to complete your order. Simply navigate to the checkout process. Here you will confirm your payment and delivery details. This is a significant step because it finalizes your purchase and ensures that everything is correct. Once you hit that final confirmation button, you will receive a notification about your order status. This is your assurance that your shopping is complete. That wraps up our tutorial on how to use Link on Instacart. By following these steps, you can easily collaborate with friends and family to create a shared shopping list. Thank you for watching, and happy shopping!